Hello YouTubers, Locutus de Borg with a quick video on my 3 carbon fiber EDC knives. First, we'll start with the Hinderer XM-18 with a carbon fiber scale polished to perfection by ModifiedZ. He did a really good job in getting a holographic three-dimensional image on this smooth carbon fiber. This is the latest model, XM-18, with S35VN steel, and it's a Spanto blade, 3.5 inches. But today we're focusing on carbon fiber. Next, I have a Sprint Run Caly 3 with stainless steel bolsters, carbon fiber scales, and a Damascus blade. A really nice 3-inch blade. I don't know who did the Damascus on this, but it's a Spyderco knife, obviously. Smooth Damascus with pretty good dimensional picture there. So we'll set that down. Let me quickly show you the reverse and a glimpse of the Damascus. And finally, a knife I've shown before, but it is carbon fiber, from William Henry Monarch B-05. It's got beautiful, smooth, polished carbon fiber. And to see more on this knife, you can check out my video on Damascus knives. So, 3 carbon fiber knives, Hinderer, Spyderco, and William Henry. Thank you very much for watching.